Okay, last step before you get your freedomops.com free marketing system and get inside and grab our proven secret formula to start making money immediately with your freedomops.com system. So the last step is this, right here on the profile page, to go ahead and unlock your access to getting your system. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom of this page. You're going to do two things. First and foremost, you're going to insert your name and email, the same email that you used to sign up with MyCash Freebies, and you're going to fill that out so that we can have you on our master list so that we can keep you abreast of any changes in the system or any important announcements. The second thing you're going to do is beneath that you're going to see a red ID number. It says Freedom Ops ID, and it's a red number, usually a 5 or a 6 or maybe even a 7-digit red number. You're going to copy that number. You're going to go on over back to the freedomops.com video page, which is why we asked you to keep it up. You're going to put that ID number in the field there that says MyCash Freebies ID. You're going to click Save, and you're going to go ahead and be taken into the registration page to get your free freedomops.com marketing system. Grab our proven secret formula, and you're off to the races to make your multiple $30 or $50 payments or both once you get inside the system. And so congratulations once again for getting through the process of getting your offers done. Complete this last step. Give us your name and email so we can keep you abreast of any announcements that we might need to make. Get your Freedom Ops ID. Go ahead to back to the first page where you watch the Freedom Ops video. Put your ID there, click Save, and that'll take you into the registration page. All right, Brent Parker, welcome to freedomops.com. We'll see you on the inside. God bless.